Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to turn off search history on YouTube. So first of all, just go ahead to your YouTube, right? And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just go ahead and click on my profile at the below right corner, and I'm going to just go ahead and click on my settings here at the top right. Now what I'm going to do in order to change it, I'm going to just go ahead and click manage all history, right? Or to turn off the search history, and you're going to see like a new window opening up for you. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just go ahead into searching right here for my history, and I'm gonna just hit delete, right? And basically if you want to delete the search history, or if you want to auto delete, sorry, I'm gonna just go ahead to the auto delete, and it's gonna open up like a new window for you. And then it says auto delete activity older than 36 months, 18 months, or 3 months, right? And basically what you gotta do, you gotta just go ahead into the, let me close this window, and I'm gonna just go ahead to the controls, right? And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna see right here the YouTube history. I'm gonna just click right here, turn off. And by pausing the YouTube history, you will not or you may limit or disable more personalized experiences across Google services. For example, you will not see recommendations for content or creators based on videos you watch, or search for after you pause this setting. You may also get recommendations for videos you've already watched. So if you are really sure and certain that you want to turn it off, just go ahead and hit pause. All right, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.